How to fix Safari not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix if Safari browser is not working on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to fix if your Safari browser is not working, you can just try basically launching the Safari application here and then see what the issue is. If you can open Safari but maybe due to restrictions you can't access some of the websites, for this you have to open settings. And from settings, just look for the option known as screen time in this case. So let me also go ahead and then just look for that particular option over here. Once you go to screen time, one thing that I would recommend you to do is if it is accessible, you can just try to turn off the screen time option here in order to disable any sort of restrictions that you have from your Safari browser or from your iOS. After you've done that, go to general, go to iPhone storage and then just look for the Safari browser here. And once you look for the Safari browser, just try to offload the app, go to website data, try to clear all website data and then see if that also helps you solve the problem. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the issue. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.